Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any upload. Actress Mapaseka Koyetle's latest character in How to Ruin Love, The Lobola, has been trending since the show returned on Netflix this festive season. And one thing for sure we all know about Mapaseka is that she will deliver, okay? She will always deliver. Fans of the streaming platform recently raved about the actress and her comedic delivery on her character storyline. We all know that she can be fun. We know Mapaseka, guys. We know her, and I'm just so happy that people do love what she is doing, because obviously when she do something, she put her all into this acting thing, and I'm just so glad that people are actually taking her in and so happy about the character, because you guys, the whole internet is just raving around. Her fans are just so happy about the character, which she's doing really well, which that one I don't think we can be surprised about. We know what this one, she's always on point. She always delivers when it comes to these characters, and her characters are so interesting, truly speaking, very interesting to watch, and you will never get bored. Okay, you will never ever get bored. And I just feel like even in real life, this is how she is, and when you're around her, you will always be laughing. She's just a bubble person, man, and these characters fit her very well, very well. And I'm just so happy for her that everyone is just taking in as she comes. Uguti, yes, girl, and this is really good. We are happy for you, and they are not actually holding it back. They're saying it on the internet. Uguti, we are so happy about the character, and she must just continue, which means she's doing a really good job. And for this, we say congratulations to you, Mapaseka.